Welcome back to the much anticipated competition video. This is where I'm going to be announcing all the competition winners for the 5 prizes that I said about in my last video. So the 5 prizes were for the number plates, the rear window tints, the £100 shop voucher, the £200 enhancement detail and the £200 caliper painting voucher. So I just want to say thanks to everyone for getting involved in that last competition. It actually worked really well. Loads of people getting involved. It's good to see a few new faces as well. So yeah, just thanks for the support in general. Obviously thanks for the support for everyone just supporting the whole business as a whole, not just obviously the YouTube channel but everything else that comes with it as well. So yeah, that's much appreciated. So I'm really looking forward to offering obviously 5 people the chance to win some goods. Obviously got some great prizes, all tally up to £700. So obviously, like I said last time, it's my biggest competition yet. So I'm really looking forward to doing this and hopefully make some of your days as well. Because I know obviously in this current situation, everything's all up in the air. Some people are obviously benefiting from the current situation that we're in, and obviously some people are in a worse place as well. So it'd be nice to give a little bit back and obviously cheer people up at the same time. You can hear anything in the background of just having a couple of bits done at the unit. So yeah, you just might hear some tools going and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is, obviously, I've got a Google random number generator up, which will obviously, the whole purpose of it is to pick a number at random. There's been 70 entries. There's been 1 entry taken off because they commented twice, which I didn't realise. So yeah, there's 69, but I put the numbers 1 to 70. So yeah, it's going to be through Google random number generator. Everyone's name's been put into an Excel sheet. Everyone's been given their number. If you haven't been given a number, it's because you haven't followed what I said in the last video. And that's all I've got to say really. So obviously I'm doing it on the random number generator. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. It's not like I'm just going to pick 5 random people from a competition, or 5 random people who turn out to be the most or have the most following. This is literally just going to be 5 random people that Google pick. No matter who you are, no matter what you are. So going to give everyone the fair opportunity. I'm not just picking sort of the most people with the most followers. So what I'm going to do is switch over to the laptop now, show you exactly how I'm doing it, and then we'll find out who these winners are. So thanks for getting involved and good luck in this competition. Right, so I've got the raffles here that Shannon kindly wrote up for me. I've got the Google random number generator and I've got all the names in the Excel sheet there. So the first prize is obviously the custom number plates. You can either have these in 3D gel and the different 4D types and different sizes is what you want. So let's see who the first lucky winner is for the number plates. Number 49, which is, let's have a look through the Excel sheet. So number 49 is Janky. So if your YouTube name is Janky, and then you've won yourself a nice set of number plates. I don't actually know who that is, so I'll have to do some research into that to find out exactly who that is. But if your YouTube channel name is Janky, then you've won some custom number plates, so well done for that. I'll put that voucher down there. Next competition winner is for the rear window tint, so let's find out who has won the rear window tints for your car. Number 41, Callum Gillett. So well done Callum, you've won a voucher for rear window tints on your car if you have a car. If you don't have a car and want to pass it on to a family member, then you're more than welcome to do that. So well done for winning a voucher for rear window tints. Next voucher is the £100 shop voucher that you can use on either number plates or in the shop on products. So let's generate this to find out who has won that. Number 14, that's my lucky number actually, so let's find out who that is. Number 14, Marky L. So if your YouTube name is Marky L, and then you have won a £100 shop voucher to spend at my shop, at my unit. So well done for that. I'll do some research to find out exactly who that is, see whose YouTube channel that is, and then I'll obviously get a hold of you straight away regarding collecting this voucher. Next voucher is for caliper painting, so you can get all 4 calipers painted, which is normally worth around £200. So let's generate this to see who has won that. Nice big voucher there. Number 51, so let's find out who 51 is. Matt Davies. I don't know Matt, but I think I have got you on Instagram, so I'll do some research, I'll give you a shout. So well done Matt, you've won yourself a nice £200 voucher to go towards caliper painting on your car. And like I say, if you don't have a car, then it can go towards sort of family member or friends, if you're more than welcome to do that. So well done for winning that voucher for caliper painting. The last voucher is for the enhancement detail, so this will be a really good voucher for someone. Nice good deep clean and a machine polish, also worth £200. So let's see who's won this. The last competition is the enhancement detail, so let's generate this to find out who has won that. number 9. So if your number is number 9, then you have won that. Let's find out who it is. Dan Brown. Well done, Dan. Maybe we can get an enhancement detail done on your Corsa, or if you want to pass it on to someone else, you're more than welcome to. So big well done for that. Dan Brown's car is actually sort of sponsored by me as such. It's got my name on the back and I've done loads of work to it. So I'm sure he'll be really happy winning that £200 enhancement detail voucher to get his car machine polished. So big well done to all. I was going back through the vouchers and actually forgot, so I had to watch back the video to find out who the winners were. So colour painting, Matt Davies. Number plates, Janky. Enhancement detail, Dan Brown. Rear window tints, Callum Gillett. And the £100 shop voucher, Marky L. So big well done to all the competition winners for that. Obviously when this video goes live, I'll give everyone a shout either on their Instagram or comment on their YouTube videos, just to obviously let everyone know. So big thank you to everyone for getting involved in this competition. I'm definitely going to look at doing some more in the future. Obviously just comment below this video and let me know if you like that. Let me know if there's any other sort of competition prizes that you'd like me to include in the future as well. And also I'll look at doing that. I might try and do like one competition a month, just to keep it sort of nice and moving. Keep everyone engaged and stuff like that, even if it's just small competitions. So obviously stay tuned for that. Thanks to everyone for getting involved in that last video. It's good to get good interaction from all sort of my subscribers and my Instagram followers as well. So yeah, definitely paid off, and I hope all the competition winners are really happy with that. And obviously, like I said, I'll do more competition in futures, so obviously maybe it'll be you next time. Next sort of video will be, the next video I'll look at doing will probably be something detailing related. I'm going to be changing up a few things regarding services, unit work and stuff like that over the next sort of couple of weeks / months. There's going to be a lot of changes going on, both sort of good and bad depending on the situation really, but I'm not finalising everything until obviously it's all sorted. But like I say, over the next couple of weeks I'm just going to be introducing new changes to the business. Like I say, it might work out good for some people, it might work out not so good for others, but like I say, it's just one of these things that I've got to look at doing now. Got to make some changes and then just see how it goes. All the support across all sort of my social media channels is greatly appreciated. Everyone who's starting to interact more with sort of the Facebook posts and the Instagram posts, really happy about that. It is really good to obviously get everyone's sort of feedback on posts and get everyone liking it, engaging it, just because it helps sort of boost sort of business awareness and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks to everyone getting involved in recent posts, getting involved in the YouTube channel. I know some people are actually really liking the YouTube channel, which I'm quite amazed at. There's the odd few that don't like it. When I say few, I mean one, but that's a different story. So yeah, it's been great to get everyone's feedback on this. Obviously I've got positive and negative feedback, and everything is taken on board and everything is taken into consideration to make this YouTube channel the best for you to watch as possible. I'm going to call it a day there now. It's been great doing this competition, been getting everyone involved over the last week. So yeah, big well done to all the competition winners. Thanks to everyone for getting involved. Obviously make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram pages, and then yeah, just comment below if there's any videos that you'd like to see in the future. I'll catch you again on the next one. Bye.